Friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about how to off notification ringtone in our oppo phone. Friends, you want to turn off your notification ringtone guys. You don't want to set, and guys you don't need guys any notification ringtone sound, and guys you want to off your notification ringtone volume. So guys, how can you off it? In this video friends, I am going to show you friends. So before starting video, first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like my video. So when first of all you will have to guys click on your phone setting to off your notification ringtone. Then guys scroll it, and so you can see sound and vibration setting. Fans tap here, and guys click on your notification sound setting. So guys tap here, and guys you can see the notification ringtone setting. As you want to set guys any custom ringtone, you can set from here, and guys you can see this known option. Guys tap here to off. So your notification will volume will off, means your notification ringtone will not work in your oppo phone. Guys you can see guys there is no any notification sound. So like that guys, you can off your notification ringtone if you want to off. So you can off from like that. So I hope friends you understood how to off notification ringtone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.